Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and this morning I have a new product, one that actually just released this week, both in the hobby and in retail. But I am kind of disappointed though that this year for retail, the Mega Box is no more. It's just a regular blaster box now. But they had 5 or 6 of them there. And then I know it's probably long odds to get it out of a blaster box, or value box as they call them now. But the MLB debut patches. But it looks like you can get the Diamond Dominance, the Let's Go, Expose, and then Celebration. But it looks like you get 2 exclusive pink and sepia refractors. So I want to say that pretty much, how many packs total are we got here? 7 packs. So 6 out of the 7 packs are probably guaranteed to get an extra card. You'll get 5 cards instead of 4, because the sepia or the pink will be the bonus. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't pull my receipt over here at the break table, but I want to say these were probably like $35. But I was really shocked to see all the new releases that my Fred Meyer did have, because I stocked that one that's across town prior to coming or going to breakfast, and they didn't really have anything new. But then after breakfast, I stopped at the one that's closer to me, and lo and behold, they had all the inventory. So let's get ripping, see what we can get out of this value box. If I can even get cards out of the pack. Okay, so we start off with one rookie, Peyton Battenfield. And then we have an 88 Riley Green, a Brett Beatty Action Star, and a Dustin May. Wow. Rumor is he's probably out of LA, but who knows? So much stuff in flux right now at the start of the free agent signing period. Of course, the biggest name that everybody's talking about is Ohtani. Where is Ohtani going? Some rumors have him going to Seattle, some heading back on the East Coast. Well, looks like we got one of our pinks, and it looks like it's an all-star, and then one card upside down. Ryan Yarborough, another rookie, Kevin Kelly for the Rays, Dylan Tate. And is it just a base? It is just a rookie debut of Anthony Volpe. And Nolan Gorman, pink. Pink rookie debut for the Cardinals. This probably has a sepia, if I was to guess. Jared Schuster rookie debut. Kel Garcia. Freddie Freeman All-Star Game. Nick Martinez. And then a sepia of Luis Guillorme for the Mets. And all the All-Stars are a subset, and they're all refractors, even though it does not say refractor anywhere on the back. But they are all on refractor cardstock. Next pack. Patrick Corbin, another 88, Max Scherzer, Gio Urshela refractor, not numbered, and then a Vaughn Grisham rookie debut for Atlanta. Well, someone's got the tunes cranked up this morning. 3 packs left. Will I get any numbered cards out of a black or a value box? Or an autograph? Tristan Cassis, rookie debut. Lamont Wade Jr. Josh Young, rookie debut. Christian Vasquez. And a Lamont Wade Jr. pink. So there's our 2 pinks. Nothing crazy out of that. And then this is probably the last sepia. Oh, maybe not. Maybe the sepia's here. Ryan Walker, rookie. Rougned Odor. A Juan Soto action star. Michael Busch, rookie debut for the Dodgers. And then an Edouard Julien, rookie debut sepia for the Twins, right? Yep, Twins. So unless there's a bonus card here, this is probably only a 4-card pack. Andrew Mostanario. James Paxton. Oh, we got a future star. Oh, probably not the best one to get. Card looks nice, but player's a little bit on the outs. Luis Medina, rookie. And the aforementioned future star Wander. I do like the looks of it. The card design, that is. So a quick recap. The Wander future star. Didn't I have 2 action stars or did I not? I did. There we go. The Brett Beatty and the Juan Soto. So 1 rookie, 1 vet. For the sepias, Luis Guillorme and Edouard Julien, rookie debut. For the pinks, a Lamont Wade and Nolan Gorman, rookie. And then the All-Star game, just had 1 All-Star game. Insert, Freddie Freeman. And then for the 88s, got the Riley Green, Max Scherzer. Oh, and then I had 1 base refractor of Gio Urshela. So yeah, that concludes this break of a lone value box of 2023 Topps Chrome Update Baseball. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and hope you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.